Hi, welcome to the Grow Hub. Today we're going to be introducing the LightHouse wireless thermostat. As you can see, it comes with two parts, the plug and then the remote control, the wireless thermostat. So why would you want a wireless thermostat? Well, it has several advantages over a traditional one. Firstly, it's the accuracy of the temperature readings that you can take. You can take temperature readings at the canopy, at the pot level, or anywhere you like. This differs from the traditional method of having the temperature readings done at the plug next to the radiator. So the wireless thermostat has two different modes. Here we've got it set up for heating. We have the actual thermometer, which takes the temperature reading, and then when it drops below a certain preset temperature, in this case 18 degrees, it sends a message to the plug, which then activates the radiator. This can also have a cooling effect as well, so we'd have it the other way around. I could say that if it gets below 18, we'd activate a fan instead of a heater. So there you go, the LightHouse wireless thermostat, a great bit of kit for getting the control into your grow room. Available now.